Power tools use many bearings to allow various components to rotate. Over time, a ball bearing will wear and begin to fail. A bearing that is failing will usually give warning, often with a squeaking or a squealing sound. Replacing a ball bearing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the motor brushes. Next, I'll remove the gearbox and armature assembly from the rest of the motor. Now I'll separate the two halves of the gearbox. Next, I'll remove the reduction gear. To do that, I'll tap the housing against a block of wood until the gear starts to come out. Now I'll use a gear puller to remove the bearing from the spindle shaft. Now I'll remove the retaining ring that secures the drive gear. With the retaining ring removed, now I can remove the gear. With the gears removed, now I can remove the bearing. And now I can install the new bearing. I'll install it with the shield down. Now I can reinstall the gear. I'll slide it onto the spindle and rotate the gear until it aligns with the woodruff key. I'll reinstall the retaining ring. Now reinstall the chuck spindle bearing. And now I can reinstall the reduction gear. Now I'll reassemble the two halves of the gearbox. I'll reinstall the gasket. Make sure the alignment pin is installed. And then bring the two halves of the box together. Next, I'll reinstall the armature and gearbox back to the rest of the tool. And I'll finish by reinstalling the brushes. And that's all it takes to replace the ball bearing in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.